If you want to delete files from OneDrive without losing them, the key is to make sure you have a safe copy somewhere else first. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step method to remove files from OneDrive while keeping them on your computer, so you don't accidentally lose important documents, photos, or videos. This is especially useful if you're trying to free up cloud storage, clean up your OneDrive account, or move files out of sync without deleting them from your PC. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your web browser by going to OneDrive Web. Once you're signed in, browse through your files and locate the ones you want to keep on your computer, but remove from OneDrive. Before you delete anything, this next step is very important. If the files are not already saved locally on your PC outside the OneDrive folder, download them first. You can do this by selecting the files and clicking download. This ensures you have a separate copy saved on your device, not just stored in the cloud. After the download finishes, take a moment to verify that the files actually exist on your computer in a location outside the OneDrive folder. This matters because if a file is only inside the OneDrive sync folder, deleting it from OneDrive may also affect your local synced copy. You want to be completely sure the file is safe on your PC first. Once you've confirmed that, go back to OneDrive Web and select the files you want to remove, then delete them from OneDrive. At this point, the files will be moved to the OneDrive recycle bin, which means they are not always gone permanently right away. If you want to fully remove them and clear space, open the recycle bin in OneDrive and empty it. That will permanently delete them from your OneDrive account. But again, because you already saved or downloaded the files outside the OneDrive folder, your local copies should remain safe on your computer. This is the safest way to clean up OneDrive without accidentally losing access to important files. A quick tip here. Always double check whether a file is stored only in the cloud or also saved locally before deleting anything. That one habit can save you from a lot of stress later. And if you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new step-by-step guide. So to recap, download the files if needed, verify they're saved outside the OneDrive folder, delete them from OneDrive Web, and empty the recycle bin if you want permanent removal. That way you can free up your OneDrive storage without losing the files you still need on your PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.